Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Wuryawan, and right here we are in Shibuya crossing in Tokyo, and today I want to do a little bit of street photography, but actually I started the day photographing Tsukiji market as well in Tokyo. So yeah, this is part of my everyday photography vlogs where I try to photograph as frequent as I can. You can check the other vlogs right here, but basically today the theme is street photography. And my camera of choice, of course, I'm only bringing my Panasonic GX85, and today I use two lenses, the Panasonic 20mm f1.7 as well as the Panasonic 14mm f2.5. Both are my favorite for street photography currently. With the 20mm you get a more pronounced subject, a little bit more background blur, and just a more classic kind of street photography look. But with the 14mm you get a nice wide angle street photography kind of lens that's very flexible, not only for street photography but also for scenery as well. I kinda enjoy using the 14mm, so we're going to try to use that. And as for the vlog that's being recorded right now, I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. However, for the street photography POV, I have to do it very inconspicuously, so I'm using a smaller camera, and that is the Insta360 Go 2. So for street photography, my main goal is not just to try to photograph random strangers on the street, but I want a little bit of more intentionality. I want to try to make you feel like you are here with me in this trip, and just being on that moment of time together with me, and try to pick out some interesting things that's happening on the street. So that's the main goal of the street photography today. So it's not about just pressing the shutter button and spraying and praying, doing machine gun kind of thing. No, it's not about that, but I'm trying to just be very intentional, shoot only when I think that's necessary. So now let's try to shoot some pictures. Alright, so we are here in Shibuya crossing and I'm trying to take an environmental portrait of my wife using the 14mm f2.5 right here. Just a simple environmental portrait to showcase not only my beautiful wife but also the surrounding, which is very famous, the Shibuya crossing street. So yeah, I'm thinking of aperture priority f2.5 vertical composition like this. Now it's the time when people are crossing the road, so I have to be really quick before there are plenty of people passing by. Something like this, simple vertical composition. Alright, and then horizontal, something like this. Very nice. I'm gonna try to showcase a little bit of the passage behind my wife. So the two buildings right there can be some sort of a framing device, frame within frame. I'm gonna be a little bit closer so I can get a little bit more background blur, because I wanna just showcase my wife and try to not get too many people behind. Alright, let's try vertical again. I think it looks also nice. 1, 2, 3 again. This is aperture priority f2.5. Auto ISO, raw. Nice. One more. Something like this, very simple. Nice. Alright, so another angle from the Shibuya crossing street. Now still with the 14mm f2.5, aperture priority f2.5. Something like this. We got a little bit of a kiss from the sunlight, so I think it makes the portrait looks even nicer in my opinion. Something like this. Let's try vertical. There are plenty of people today. It's a very busy day. 1, 2, 3. One more. I'm waiting for the car to pass by. The autofocus of the camera has been really weird today. I'm having lots of trouble with my autofocus, but that doesn't keep me from taking pictures. So yeah, something like this, very simple composition. I'm trying to use the buildings on the left and on the right as sort of a framing device. We're taking picture as we go. Something like this. Alright, and that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you find today's video to be useful, entertaining, and inspiring as well. Makes you want to go out and try to photograph some things. So please let me know on the comment down below which one is your favorite picture. Also, if you have any question, please comment down below as well. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even more, you can use the affiliate links on the description below or use the super thanks button. Thank you and see you on the next video. Goodbye.